Once upon a time, in a distant land, there lived a Muslim king named Sultan Amir. He was known throughout the kingdom for his remarkable wisdom and unwavering bravery. Sultan Amir's rule was characterized by fairness, justice, and compassion, and his people revered him for his leadership. Sultan Amir's wisdom was renowned far and wide. He was an avid scholar and had spent years studying the Quran and the teachings of his faith. His counsel was sought not only by his subjects but also by neighboring rulers who respected his sagacity. Whenever disputes arose, people from all walks of life would come to his magnificent palace seeking his guidance. One day, a dispute of great magnitude reached Sultan Amir's ears. Two neighboring kingdoms were on the brink of war over a valuable piece of fertile land that both claimed as their own. Sultan Amir, recognizing the imminent danger, decided to mediate the conflict. He invited the rulers of both kingdoms to his palace, where he patiently listened to their arguments and grievances. With his deep knowledge of diplomacy and negotiation, Sultan Amir was able to find a peaceful solution that satisfied both parties. The land was divided fairly, and an enduring peace treaty was established. Sultan Amir's bravery was equally legendary. He was a formidable warrior who led his troops into battle fearlessly. On one occasion, when invaders threatened his kingdom, he donned his armor and rode into the heart of the conflict. His bravery inspired his soldiers, and they fought valiantly to protect their homeland, ultimately repelling the invaders. But Sultan Amir's bravery was not limited to the battlefield. He was also courageous in the face of adversity. When a devastating famine struck his kingdom, he personally distributed food and resources to the needy, even at the risk of his own safety. Under Sultan Amir's wise and just rule, his kingdom prospered and lived in harmony. His legacy extended beyond his reign, as his people continued to cherish his memory for generations to come. Sultan Amir's story serves as a timeless reminder of the power of wisdom, bravery, and compassion in leadership, and his name remains etched in the annals of history as a true Muslim king who left an indelible mark on his people and his land.